Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 5,564 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a new running light and a brake light in the correct location, as well as rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. It will also need a license plate that is correctly mounted. Additionally, this bike will need an exhaust that meets DOT decibel requirements and passenger footrests. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 6/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs lean off idle but runs well through after. Our technicians noted that the choke knob is missing, but that the cable functions. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion developing on the fender. This bike has one key and one fob. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, 12-inch handlebars, smoked rear turn signals, a relocated brake light, vertical plate mount, grips, mirrors, a timing cover, and a fuel cap. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.